Hey everyone, Eli with Lightning Carpet Care. We are here in beautiful downtown Orlando, and right now we're in the 35th floor, no, 34th floor of the View building here in downtown. You can see we're right off Lake Eola. We are doing some carpet cleaning with some pet treatment here. Right now we're CRBing the carpet to open up the fibers prior to spraying our pre-treatment. You could already see this is a low pile polyester. You could already see it's already making a difference here. You can see a little better that way. So we're going to be treating the carpet today to at least lighten up these stains. As you can see there, dog had an accident, and owner called us to help them out with cleaning it up. We're going to make a big difference here.
Hey everyone, so this is the results for doing the cleaning. You see we laid down the sealant. And here, this was a permanent stain. Don't know exactly what it is, but great results. Just laid down the sealant, so we're leaving the fans on so that way you could dry out. It's really good. If you have any questions, give us a call, 407-864-9600.